Well, g'day curd nerds. It's that time of year again. We're approaching the end of the cheese making season. I'd just like to say thank you so much for everybody who watched the channel this year. It's been a fantastic year on the cheese channel and we've made so many different cheeses together. So in 2023, I'll just refer to my notes, we made 64 cheese making videos and taste tests, 50 YouTube shorts, and I held 50 live streams during the year. So that's 164 pieces of content, which gained 2.0 million views. So I gained an extra 21,200 subscribers during the year. So quite an achievement. So that's over one video per week. Yeah, more than 2 pieces of content per week. So that's been brought to you by the team here at Little Green Workshops. Kim in the background thinking up some video ideas, Ben editing some videos, and me filming and being the star of the show, I suppose. Anyway, it's been lovely bringing all of these videos to you this year. In between Christmas and New Year, I'll be releasing one more video, and I will also do a compilation video on what cheeses to try in 2024. Should be fun. We've got lots of new cheeses on the slate to make for next year, so if you haven't already subscribed, then please do so, and then you'll get notified when I release a new cheese making video. So from Kim and myself, we wish you both a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in 2024, and may it be the most prosperous year for cheese making that you've ever done. So for those who don't celebrate those holidays, I wish you happy holidays in wherever you are throughout the world, and stay tuned for many new cheese making videos as we progress through 2024. So curd nerds, thanks for watching as always, and I'll see you next time.